4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, Breadies? This is Weston. I think you've seen him here a few times. I usually try to reel him in, but we're just gonna let it go, you know, so you guys can get to know him. What's up, dude? What are we drawing today, Wes?
Stop, square, head Darth Vader.
Darth Vader. We got some shorts that we made, a bunch of Star Wars series shorts. I know you've been watching those on our short videos and clicking through those and checking them out. So today we're gonna draw Darth Vader.
There's even Avenger and Spidey ones.
Oh yeah, we also did Guardians of the Galaxy and Marvel character shorts like Spider-Man. Oh, and that black and white futuristic Spider-Man short. That one was fun. It's okay. It's okay.
And remember the one where that guy with the black cape was trying to get the Groot and they gave him the fake Groot.
Yeah. We like Guardians of the Galaxy. You like Groot, huh? Yeah.
But I like Groot and Darth Vader.
Yep. Okay, let's get started, Breadies. Grab a piece of paper and something to draw with. And let's get started.
Go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right. First step, Breadies, we're simply going to do the top of his helmet. So it's going to be like a big upside down U. Ready? Up, over, and down. Can you do that?
I'll try.
See the top? Go for it, buddy.
So it's kind of like square.
Yeah. Good job. You're going to have a huge head. That's all right. I'm going to take mine down a little more. Just since you did such a big one, I want to do the same thing. All right, Breadies.
Yours is as little as that one.
Yeah.
Mine is as big as that one.
All right, Breadies. So when you got your upside down U, now we're going to take his helmet out. And what that is a nice and easy slant on both sides.
It's starting to look like Darth Vader's helmet.
It is. All right, Breadies. Now we're going to take that just past this top of the helmet. It's okay. And then we're going to go over, Breadies. Ready? Over. And stop just in line, like right there.
Like that?
Perfect. A little more. Get to like right there. Little more. All right, Breadies. And then the exact same thing on the other side. Whoop. Oh, I can already see Darth Vader coming to life. How'd you do? Good job. Bring in a little more. A little more to like there. This is his signature helmet that he has. All right, Breadies. Now we're going to take this line up. We're going to stop right a little past there. So just go straight up. It's really easy. Up like that. Go ahead, buddy. Same thing on the other side. All right, Breadies. Next, we're going to do the top of his eyes. So they're going to go over and then down and then over. So we want to get like we'll go right to the middle and draw a line. You dropped your stool. It's okay. All right, Breadies. Now we're going to do like the top of his eyes. So we're going to go, he's got kind of some mean eyes. So we're going to do him a little more square shape. So simple like this, Breadies. Watch this. Up, over, and down.
Dad, I don't want to do those eyes.
Over. Okay, do whatever you want, dude. So next, Breadies, we're going to do the eyes. The big, cool eyes. Ready? So we're going to go around and up. Same thing on the other eye. Like that.
I'm going to...
Oh, babe. All right, so Darth Vader's got really dark eyes. We usually do like big round ones. So we're just going to keep our style. We're going to do it again. Ready? So we do a little circle and a little circle and then a big circle
I don't want to do
and
that.
a big... I know, you can do what you want, buddy. I'm just doing what I do. And the Breadies, they're learning, dude. Remember, they're learning, so they want to see what I'm doing. Look at that. That looks so cool, Breadies. Ready. All right, Weston, the next step. Pay attention, Breadies. Here we go. We're simply going to do the bottom of his face. All right, next step, Freddy's. We're gonna give the back of his helmet, we're gonna curve it down, ready? So bring it down like that on both sides. Just like that. Can you do that, buddy? Looking so good. Good job, dude. All right, next, Braze. Believe it or not, we're getting there. Let's do the mouth. It's like this triangle. So basically we're gonna do one tiny circle for the top of his mouth. Almost looks like a nose, but the top of the mouth, because he doesn't really have a nose. Perfect. And then imagine a triangle and do another circle.
What? There's 3 circles?
And then over here, and then the third circle of the triangle. Can you do that, Wes? Perfect. Now we connect them with a line. 1, 2, 3. That's his Darth Vader mask. Perfect, dude. All right, now we just do a line from, you don't connect it, Wes, watch this. You start in the middle of his face and go up like that. And then middle of the face.
I was thinking about the lines inside the triangle.
Okay, yeah. Do that. We're about done with the face, Breddies. Face and the helmet are basically done. We're gonna add a few more details. Weston's doing them. We're gonna go up like that. Wow, that really looks like
they don't really.
All right.
They don't really touch.
I know. Follow along.
They don't touch.
And then 2 lines in the middle of the helmet.
Did you know they don't touch?
Oh, they don't touch. Okay. Next step, buddy. Do your lines in your helmet. You're killing it, dude. Freddy's at home. I hope you're having so much fun following along with us. Let's move on to the body. So this is a super cute kawaii Darth Vader. So it's going to be a really simple body. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go about where this circle is, and we're gonna go out at a slant for the body. Same thing on the other side. Go to where about that circle is. Out at a slant. Can you put it out where I need to go? Yeah. So now we're gonna do another line out at a little bit more of an angle for the arm. So we're gonna go down and out. Down and out. Good job. Do the other side, buddy. Perfect. Now we're going to take the body line and we're going to go straight down for his legs.
Dad.
Oh, you finished your arm. We weren't doing the arm yet.
Oh.
I can show the Breddies now. So the arm's just going to be a curve like that.
No.
And like that.
I did.
All right, Breddies. And then for the feet, it's going to be super easy. We're just doing a curve to the middle and go up. A curve to the middle and go up. All right, now we're going to add some details to the body. The first detail, we're going to do his like chest line. So we're just going to go a curve and then up and then follow that curve out to the arm. Next step, we're just gonna do some lines, Brady.
That looks like a butt on his belly.
That looks pretty funny. Just some lines like that, Brady.
I have to do some white lines.
And then we're gonna do the belt next. So right here, Wes.
I have to do white pencil lines.
Wes, do the belt. Follow along.
Well, I didn't.
It's okay. It looks good. We'll fix it later.
That's okay.
Can you do a belt? Right across the belly there.
The belly.
Yeah.
Why don't we do belly
It's like utility belt. Got it? All right. And now he's got like this robot box. He's kind of like a robot.
He's a robot?
Yeah.
He's
machine.
not a real human?
He is, but he's part machine. Like a robot. Then Brady's
he's just making a roll. He just has a robot mask.
Add the lines for the arms, Brady's.
Kind of like curves.
Put your box in the middle. And then we're almost done, dude. Cool. Now he's actually got a cape. So we're gonna do some squares down behind his hands. We're just gonna go square, 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 square. 2 squares under there for the back of his cape. Perfect, dude. All right, just a few more details.
I'm doing this for the cape.
All right, cool. Now we're gonna give him, because again, he's very like robot, like he's got all these different metal lines. So we're just gonna connect a line here to his legs, like that. Can you do that, buddy?
Well, there's something in the middle, that thing.
Well, we're just making it super nice and easy for the breadies.
I'm just gonna do this for fun.
All right, last, let's just add some cool little boots on the bottom. So we'll just take this down a little more and just bring it over. A little line down and bring it over. And that's our Darth Vader.
Dude, you can do some buttons in the line.
Oh, let's make this so we could tell this is like the inside of his helmet right there. So just color that in black.
Let's do some buttons and switches.
We will with our colors. Ready? All right. Readies, we're back. We are gonna add a lightsaber because that's like the coolest part. So that's super easy. All we're gonna do is kind of like a long sword, but it's just gonna be one simple line with a curve and then a line all the way
Put a
back.
line right there.
And then we'll do a black handle. We'll make it a little bit thicker and we'll color that in black. And then this will color in what color? What color is Darth Vader's lightsaber? Red.
Oh, that's not good. Oh,
It's all right.
it's okay.
We'll do a little line in the middle to show like a little shine. And maybe some lines like...
Oh, I'm just gonna do like, I'm gonna go over it and do like
Can't you just hear the sound?
I'm going to go over it.
Like it's glowing. All right, readies? Now we're ready to color.
Oh no, there's too much black.
Readies? You ready to show them our Darth Vader? You gotta sit up, you're not on your booster. They won't see your face. All right, ready? Let's show them. 3, 2, 1. Darth Vader! Did you have so much fun?
Yeah. Mine's all black. Yours all red.
Yeah. All right, Breadies. We hope you had so much fun with me and Weston. They turned out really good. Check them out.
Yours just looks like a robot.
Mine just looks like a robot. He likes his better because he did all black. I did a lot of different highlights in there so you guys can see the detail. Well, I had so much fun, Weston.
You can still see my detail and
That's
still
true.
black.
He did really good with his highlights, with his little grays. I was impressed. All right, Breadies, go over and check out our shorts. We did a bunch of Star Wars characters. We want you to go see. I hope you enjoy watching those shorts. They're super fun and entertaining.
I know it's you, Will and James.
Will and James, they're poking their eye in on us, aren't they? All right, say bye to the Breadies. Oh,
Bye.
go watch those Star Wars shorts. The Chewbacca one is awesome. Go check out the Chewbacca one, Bready. Bye.
Don't forget the green and raccoon one with the funny guy.
The Groot and the Rocket.
It's the rocket and the Groot one, and that guy with the black cape is chasing them.
Yeah, Guardians of the Galaxy shorts.
And they gave him a fake traveling Groot.
Oh, there's the Rocket one back there. I forgot I put that up. Check it out.
Where's the Groot?
That's the Rocket one. The Groot one's somewhere else in the pile over there.
So it's a little open.
Show the Breadies the Groot. Hold it.
Hey, Groot! And let me, I'm gonna scare you, Brady, this way. I guess that really. Bye, Freddy.